Hi and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you about the recent articles element in the Beae website builder. So firstly, when you have opened up the Beae website builders, this is a dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. On the left side, you have the option for recent article. So simply drag and drop that element on your Beae website builder's main page. And then after that, this is how it's going to look like. Then on the right side, you guys have the option to show the date, to show the featured image. You guys can hide these settings by simply unchecking these boxes, and also you guys can increase the items per row. You guys can also increase the spacing between them as well. You can also choose the maximum blog post to show per row. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually use the content side of things. And then up top you have the option for style as well. In the style section, you guys can change the background color, you guys can change the box shadow, you guys can change the border as well, and then below that you guys can also change the title and the typography as well of the title. In the typography, you guys can change the font, you guys can also change the size, the weight, you can transform it, and of course you guys can increase or decrease the line height and letter spacing as well. So guys, these are all the features that you get in the recent articles element, and of course you guys have all of these features such as box shadow, border, height, width, max width for all of these options that are present in this particular element. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.